I'm looking for a fucking yacht. Did you see them?
What?
Paul yacht.
Why are you beating on my truck at 6 o'clock in the
I'm
morning?
looking for a Paul yacht.
Who's that?
Paul yacht. I'm sure the drive the truck stuff. I was 4 years back and I was just waking up on electric. Where's he at? You know Brian Kramer? You don't know anything?
No.
No. No Brian Kramer anything.
No.
Are you on fucking crack or something?
I'm looking for somebody who went the fuck.
Well, don't be on my truck at 6 o'clock in the fucking morning. Like, what are you doing, bro? Stop beating on my truck at 6 o'clock in the fucking morning.